Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube not opening on your smart TV. I'm currently using the Sony smart TV, however this should probably work on basically all smart TVs, they're basically all the same. So if it's not opening, I actually had this issue last night. It was really weird. I clicked on it and it just kept on giving me that loading icon. So if that is happening to you, then basically how I fixed it, it was really easy. I just clicked on this little settings icon right here. And then I clicked on settings and I scrolled down and I clicked on apps. And basically once I've done that, I literally just did two things in a row. So I don't really know which thing it actually fixed. However, what I did was I first of all clicked on clear data. This will basically just completely clear all data from YouTube. So I just clicked on that and clicked on clear data. And then I clicked on uninstall updates immediately after that basically. Currently it's not showing me uninstall updates for some reason, because probably I already uninstalled all of those updates like yesterday or something. But when I go to see apps, it will say something like uninstall updates. So all I need to do is click on clear data, just like this, and then click on uninstall data, uninstall updates. And once you've done that, it will basically reopen YouTube and you can see if that fixes it. For me, it did fix the issue yesterday basically. And you can literally just see if that fixes your issue by just reopening the app. You do need to log in back to your account after you've done that, so keep that in mind. But yeah, that fixed the issue for you, for me. If it did for you, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.